All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're in Ciudad Colón, small town just right outside of San Jose. This is a cool town. A cool town indeed. I just walked around here. This is my first time visiting here. So we're going to check it out, do a walkie-talkie tour here. Guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe here on YouTube so you see more videos of the traveling in Costa Rica. Oh, yeah. That was loud. That's the name of the game on this channel, guys. We just kind of drive around. I've not been here before, so you're exploring this with me here. Ciudad Colón. Very nice, very nice. Good first impression so far. I'm going to have this coffee. As you may know, if you've been watching the channel for a bit, I run on coffee. It's very important to me. And let's talk about some of the stuff that I'm using in this video. I got my battery pack right here. I'm going to put a link on screen so you can buy some of this stuff on Amazon. This has like a lot of batteries in it. Battery powers in it. It's really good. This is a locking sling backpack, so you can put your cards right there. It's got this locking mechanism. I like using this in kind of urban places. And a nice umbrella. Guys, if you were watching the Samara video, you'd see that I was using like a Power Rangers umbrella. So this one's a lot better. I got it on Amazon. Watch this. Wow, man. That's a good umbrella. So guys, before we begin the walking talking tour, let's talk about how to get here on the map and see some footage from the drone.
So we'll start off with the satellite image there of Costa Rica, zooming in on the greater metropolitan area of San Jose. There's the international airport where you'll probably be landing for your vacation, where you'll get your rental car, airport transfer, taxi, Uber, however you'd like to get to Ciudad Colón. You drive south, there is Ciudad Colón at that arrow. I want to say it was about 30, 45 minutes with traffic when I drove. Traffic can really change the amount of time you're spending on the road in San Jose especially. So Ciudad Colón is tucked away into the mountains there. You can see it's a fairly small town, but densely packed. Roads going off into the mountains above. Very nice town, very good views. Cool climate too here. And we'll zoom in right where the downtown area is, where this video is starting. And then off to the drone, guys. So there's the Central Park that we're going to be seeing shortly. A beach volleyball court. Very, very cool. There's the church. Where this video started, you can see where those cars are driving. That's where the coffee shop is. And more of the downtown area. There's more shops over on that side, I found. Here we are looking off into the mountains to the south of Ciudad Colón. A little butter on the transition there. Look at how green it is. It's beautiful. There's another shot deeper into the mountains. And then we'll flip around to a view back towards San Jose. So the airport is off on yonder. And finally, a little butter, a little smooth butter. Look at that. The church right back down through Ciudad Colón.
All right, cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed some of that drone footage. Coffee's pulverized. Coffee's gone. I've been caffeinated. I'm good to go now. I am fully jilted, ready for this walking talking tour. We're going to cross the street here and go check out the church first. Easy Frogger today here in Ciudad Colón. So it's a cool church. This is a very quiet town. I just walked around here filming a video for the Ambient channel. I have a channel as well up on YouTube where I just kind of walk around or drive around or whatever. Put those videos up too, so they're pretty cool. So I just kind of got the lay of the land here. And now I kind of have my idea. I have my route planned. And it's a cool town. It's very quiet. We're here on a Sunday, late June. So like rainy season. Very cool, very cool. Here is more of the church. So actually just one block to the left is like the main square. It's pretty busy right now. We'll go check that out too. We'll go look at Maxi Pali, and there's a cool building down here I want to look at as well. Guys, if you enjoy these videos on YouTube, you can leave a tip, buy a coffee, scan the link with the QR code there, or click the link in the description below. I appreciate everybody buying coffees lately, leaving kind words at a couple coffee buyers lately. I'll put them up on screen right now. So I appreciate all the coffees everybody's buying, and I can assure you I do drink them all. That's one place you can get coffee always. Musi. That's where I often get coffee. I do try to get like boutique coffees though, like at coffee shops. Here's like a little square. Here's a little park. Lots of people sitting, chilling. Looks very like family friendly, you know, here. Looks very family friendly. And I'm going to try to convey some of the trivial pursuit knowledge that I just looked up on Wikipedia. So, population of 17,000 here. Apparently, there is the highest density of different nationalities living in the smallest area. So, one of the most diverse communities given the size in the world, I think is what it said. That was pretty cool. This town was named after Christopher Columbus. That's pretty cool. And we're close right now to Escazú and Santa Ana, which are two like bougie towns here, kind of expensive. So we're just outside of that. Santa Ana, I want to say we came from that way down this road, and it's like back towards San Jose. I think it was like 20 minutes, maybe 10, 20 minutes to Santa Ana, and then subsequently Escazú. So there's a Pali here, small grocery store. Those are all over Costa Rica. That's like a Walmart brand. There's a Delta right there, a gas station. And then all along here, so it's a Sunday, but a lot of things are closed, but there are a lot of restaurants, stuff like that. It says there's a gym right there. I'm kind of a fitness guy myself, so maybe I'll come back when I come back for a longer period. Maybe I'll check that place out. Now this place is pretty cool right here, El Mercado, Mora. So Mora is the municipality. Ciudad Colón is the city. Hola. So that's interesting. There's always signs with places. Again, I had to look this up. Guys, I'm just stopping here. I just went to the airport and picked somebody up at the airport. So I thought, hey, I'll come out here. There's a bunch of sodas out here. This is a cool little place. This is a cool little market. It's a market, I guess. Restaurants and stuff like that. See what some of the stuff is here. So there's ice cream and cafe. What's this place? Oh, they got like French fries and cool spicy chicken, hamburgers. There's a soda. So again, it's a Sunday, so I'm assuming some of this stuff is closed because it's a Sunday. Oh, there's a taco. $2 for a taco. That's cool. Oh, there's a wiener dog. I saw this wiener dog earlier. I don't know if wiener dogs are a good or a bad omen. I'm just gonna guess neutral because they're so silly. They're such silly little dogs. Now this building's pretty cool here too. I don't know exactly what it is. We'll go look. I mean, I guess we go look. There's some washrooms right there. So guys, at the start of the video, I showed you some of the equipment that I use in this video that I'm carrying around. The right equipment can make all the difference when you're traveling. Honestly, the last video that I put up was in Samara, and like that was so funny. I bought like a $5 umbrella, and I just kept getting blown around. So I ordered one on Amazon, a new umbrella. So check those links in the description. It's really good stuff. Yeah, it's a cool building there. Very nice. Nice park. There's the church over there once again. And this is cool, a round stone that's kind of like been converted into a fountain. I like it. Oh, and there's a mechanical turtle. A mech turtle. With, I don't know what's going on. Let's go check that out. Let's investigate this further. This requires further investigation. I like what I'm seeing. Let's zoom in on that. That is fun. Looks like a manhole cover that's been converted into a turtle. That is cool. And what's interesting too is like this is really clean, like a really clean park. You know? And it's interesting because some, like when you go downtown San Jose, you'll see a lot more vagrancy and stuff like that. But a lot of these outlying cities are much more quiet, much more family friendly, it seems. You know, and I'm not criticizing the vagrancy because I'm a bit of a vagrant myself. I'm a bit of a hooligan myself. But it does, and I'm glad I can do these videos and show you guys what these places look like. So here's kind of the Central Park area. We'll go do a little walkie tour here as well. Looks like there's a supermarket there, like a little supermarket. There's actually another supermarket over on the other side. I'm going to scoot across here in front of this truck, not get hit. It's cool, nice butterfly thing. That's very nice. Very nice. So there it is. The Mora Municipal Government. Now, things to do that I saw on Wikipedia were like horseback riding. There's like mountain tourism kind of thing. So like hiking, eco stuff. I guess there's like an indigenous territory here as well. Probably like off into the mountains to the south here. That's fun. Now, this is something I don't think I've seen in any cities. Beach volleyball. That is cool, man. That is cool. And look, there's a coconut tree right there. Even more cool. Look at that. So all these guys are playing beach volleyball. There's a bank right there. So if you come through here and you need to get cash out, which is a good idea to carry, Banco Nacional is where I always go. Beach volleyball, man. That's excellent. Oh, there's even a trampoline, dude. Dude, there's a kid on it, though. I want to go on the trampoline. So look at this kids park here, man. How clean is it, right? How nice is it? Oh, there's another mechanical turtle. There's another mechanical turtle right there. Fantastic. So I'm not going to go walk around there. You can see that kid jumping on a trampoline there. That's wild, man. You know, that's awesome. Because even like, dude, in Canada, if you, I don't know, like if you left a trampoline out, like I feel like it would just get destroyed. Like there's no respect, right? There's no community respect. This seems to be all open, right? Like families walking around. That's incredible. That's just really cool. I like seeing that. Basketball court right here. Very cool. Look at this, even more coconut trees. Super clean. And look at the mountains off in the distance. There's like houses all the way up there. I always wonder like how the road is getting up there. You know, there's the backside of the church right there. That's cool. This looks like a school right here in front of us, I think. I think it's a school. What else can we see around here? Look at this. Even this. Like this is cool. Like, does this work? I didn't test this earlier. Oh, it works. So, bro, like that's awesome. Wow, man. What a great city. You got little and showers too for the beach volleyball. Oh my goodness. Man, they're doing good here, dude. They're doing good here. I'm gonna have to come back here and spend some time. That's great. That is great. What a good like presentation, right? To offer all these things and everything's clean in order. It's really fantastic. What a great city. I like it. There's like a traffic easement thing here. Right? Oh, look at this Benelli motorcycle. That's cool. I like it just because it's green. Dangerous. Dangerous. There's a track. Kids are biking around the track. Dude, this is very family friendly. I can see why that statistic that said perhaps, you know, there's so many a mezcla of foreigners that live here, right, and move here. I can see why. This is just from what I'm seeing so far. This is a really nice town, man. I like this a lot. And there's a big supermarket right there as well. They're just playing music really loud, so I'm not going to go over there and blow out the mic. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed that walkie-talkie tour here in Ciudad Colón, just outside of San Jose, Costa Rica. I'm going to have to come back here and spend some more time. If you guys have any tips, you want to drop any intel for me for when I come back and explore a little bit more. I'm sure there's a lot to do and see, but this is a quick introduction for me to the town, maybe to you as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave a comment as always. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.